Okay, hi everyone and welcome to this version of Let's Refurb. So this is my first video of refurbing stuff, and I bought this package a couple of days ago, and judging on this symbol here you might understand what's inside it, but it's more than just one thing. So we'll go ahead and open it and see what's inside, and I know what's inside this one. I have ordered more, so let's see about that. Yeah. Pause. So yeah, let's open up the package to see what's inside. Just gonna find where I'm gonna enter it, because this was a lot of tape on this one. I think this will be not going to hurt anything inside. Okay, so here it is. This is an iPhone 5 or 5S. Same thing, without the battery here. Now these things you don't really have to pay any attention to. I just bought this from the same seller and they were shipped together to minimize the shipping cost. So what the refurb section is going to be is it's going to be a repair of quite many iPhones. So I think, and this is a iPhone 6 or 6S. Same thing here. This is totally empty. So well, I have the charging ports and things like that. Also the camera is out here, so that's not interesting. On another 5 or 5S. Another one. And this is a spare part battery already, and it's disconnected, and don't know about that. No camera inside though. Bumps and things. It's the same thing here. It's an iPhone 5 or 5S. I gotta check that up later. It's not the SE, because the SE I believe have an inscription here after the iPhone. So it's just 5 or 5Ss. The ad really didn't say what it was. I'm gonna show you in a minute what the ad was. So one more 6. This is missing the logic board. Also a 6. So none of these has any screens. They are all screenless. And sorry, let's move these up a bit so you can see more what is this all about. So I believe that these are 5 or 5S models. I'm gonna dig deeper into that. And all of them are missing their screens. So I have replacement iPhones lying around here. So this, for example, is a fully functional iPhone. So I can take the screen out of this one and try to connect it. If this one is on 5S, so if the screen is the same for the 5 and the 5S models, then I can use that. Otherwise I have to have a replacement screen. And for these models, I don't have any 6 or 6S screens lying around, so I have to order one of them. But they are quite cheap now because the models are a bit old. So let's see what we can do with that. But these two, for example, are just junk because they doesn't have the logic boards. These two do have logic boards. This doesn't have a battery though, but if these are locked with iCloud or anything like that, I'm out of luck there. So, but I had to make a try to fix them up, and I think that will put out for a quite good video. Now I'm going to show you what I paid for this. So I'm going to bring up the ad here, and it's going to be in Swedish crowns because I am in Sweden. Now this was the ad, so we're going to go back here. Let's try to have some focus if we can. There we go. It's 530 Swedish crowns, and if you turn that into euros or dollars, I would say it's around 40 euros or $40. Dollars might be like, yeah, even less than that, like 35 to 40. So it's not a lot of money if you can get these working. You can maybe sell them off or give them away to your relatives or friends, or just have to like spare phones. But I thought it would be a quite interesting video to show you guys that you can buy broken stuff and you can refurbish them, and it's not that complicated. It just burns down to the details. If these has been locked, for example, if they are locked with an iCloud account and they are not unlocked, then I can't fix them. I think I have to try. So that will put up for a full video. I will also release them in parts. So we can see what you can do with this stuff. Yeah, this has been the unboxing of the order of the iPhone spares. So if you find this interesting, please do subscribe to see the future projects of these one coming along. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.